Just had to make a quick purchase right quick. I know nobody else is buying them, but I put them on my feet. They look fresh. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
We're going to tell them what they are later.
Okay, we'll show you later. All right. Well, I have them on my feet. You know what I'm saying, for y'all. So, what's good, y'all? Y'all know who it is. Coming through with a release from earlier. When was this? This is about a month ago.
29.
About the 29th, there you go. You remember the date, everything. So when I first saw these on the rack, it was not looking fly at all. But put them on my feet today, so it was looking extra fresh. So y'all gonna see me rocking them. Here we go. Got the CP3 T23s. I call these sidekicks. You know what I'm saying? You got Batman, you got Robin. You know what I'm saying? So y'all can't even fuck with the sidekicks. You know, so I think they could. What I'm telling you, once you put them on your feet, man, these are some fresh kicks. So for about a month now, I've been sleeping on these, and so have y'all. I guarantee it. Everybody's just been trying to get these, but of course, beautiful.
Let's put them together, see what they look like.
But my goodness.
So this is the Tokyo 23 collection, Sneaker Ninja, not exclusive, but you know, this exclusive. This one, there you go.
That's how we do. Go back to the States like this, had everybody breaking necks, man. But wait till y'all, probably tomorrow sometime. We're gonna be walking around, I'll probably be, man, loving these kicks. CP3, T23s. Stay tuned for the website, of course, summer 2011. Time still working on it. Sneaker Ninjas coming through. You're gonna see more of us real soon, so stay tuned. Also look out for Shinobi the MC doing his thing, so check us out on Facebook.
Yeah, the new video just dropped too for Shinobi.
Name
Revival.
There you go, Revival. Shit's hot too, so listen to the words. He be talking to you. Pay attention if you can keep up. So, boy Sax, Gonzo, you know, Sneaker Ninjas.
All right.